Okay, so we have here today reproductor JBL Flip 5. It's new one, bought yesterday. So look like this, nice box. When I open this, you can see nice body, really robust. You can start right here. You can see here Flip 5, charger, micro USB, C port, and you can see here the turn on or turn off and Bluetooth ready. So turn on. Okay, now it is ready and we can try to connect with our phone. So you can find the Bluetooth device, because we can see that Bluetooth is in the white status, has white status. Okay, so we are there. Prepare for the listen of the music. Now it's going. You can try to turn on the voice. It's really exciting. Very nice sound. It's going out from this JBL 5. And is it possible to turn on radio? Radio is not possible, just Bluetooth. Okay, and any other input also isn't possible, just as Bluetooth device. So thank you for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video with next reproductor. Bye.